Hey, what's up everybody? I hope y'all are doing well. My name's Anthony. You're watching Palmetto Prepare. Today's going to be a super quick one, and it's just because I wanted to show y'all something cool I got. Now, I've been up all night. This is like past midnight. I've been pressure canning the deer spaghetti I made today. Now, while I've been waiting, because you never really want to walk away from pressure canning, I made some bread, and it's just about time to slice. Now, one thing I wanted to share with y'all was my wife got me what's called the Tojiro bread slicer off Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below so you can get to it. But she got this for me for Christmas, and I've already made 2 loaves since I opened this just to see how good it works. And this thing works fantastic. I mean, it completely puts my old knife to shame, and I wanted to show you all the difference between what I have been using versus this thing and how easy this thing is, because when I find, like I said, when I find something good, I want to make sure I share the knowledge with y'all because, hey, why should I keep all the secrets to myself? So if you hear some of the popping, it's just the pressure canner cooling down, but let's go to the bread. All right. First up is going to be the Farberware, your basic Walmart bread knife that you normally get in your little sets you have. Nothing super special, but this is a bread knife because it's got a serrated edge. Now, this is what I've been doing for the last however many months. I've been really making some hardcore bread at home. Full length of the blade. Doesn't do a bad job. There you go. You see the crumb? I mean, it cut through. Didn't do too bad of a job. It works, right? All right, now here is the Tojiro bread slicer you get off Amazon. All right. Super quick, super easy. Look at the quality of that slice. Just in comparison, see if you can even pick it up on camera. A little bit more of a serrated cut. Perfect cut. So, they both work just fine. But for $22, you can't beat it. Alright, there it is. Super easy, super quick. This bread knife has made my life 10 times easier, and it really does make cutting bread, especially those individual slices for sandwich bread, so much easier. So if you are having a little bit of trouble because the knife that came with your knife set, like mine, just doesn't quite cut it, get this thing. It's absolutely amazing. Like I said, I'll put it down in the description below. But I hope y'all learned something from this video. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't, and I will catch y'all later, okay? Bye.